Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. Homemade garlic knots. Subscribe to this channel and discover many new weekly videos recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see below under more. In a large bowl or stand mixer, whisk the yeast, half a cup warm water, and sugar. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes to proof. 10 to 15 minutes on a cold day. After about 10 minutes, the mixture should be foamy, indicating that the yeast is still active and ready to make the dough. Add the olive oil or melted butter, salt, 1 cup warm water, and half of the flour. Beat for 25 seconds, then add the remaining flour. Switch to the dough hook if you're using a mixer and beat on low speed for 7 to 8 minutes. If the dough is sticking to the sides and bottom of the bowl, add a little more flour, a tablespoon at a time. The dough should be smooth and elastic. It should not stick to your fingers to the touch. Once done beating the dough, knead by hand on a lightly floured surface for an additional 2 minutes. The dough should feel a little soft. Poke it with your fingers. If it slowly bounces back, your dough is ready to rise. After kneading the dough, shape into a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Turn it over so that the top half gets oiled as well. Cover the dough with plastic wrap, and the bowl with a clean kitchen towel, and let rise in a warm place for about 1.5 hours, or until doubled in size. When the dough is ready, using floured hands on a lightly floured work surface, shape the dough into a log of 14 by 10 inch, 40 by 26 centimeters. Using a pizza cutter or a bench scraper, slice the dough into 14 1-inch, 40 to 2 centimeters strips. Then, cut it in half so you will have 20 7-inch strips. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper, or spray with non-stick spray. Roll each strip into 7-inch ropes, and tie each into a knot, then, arrange the knots on the baking sheet. Lightly dust with flour and cover the knots with a clean kitchen towel. Let the knots rise for at least 45 minutes or until doubled in size. Towards the end of the rise time, preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. After about 45 minutes, your garlic knots are ready to bake. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown on top and lightly brown on the bottoms. While the knots are baking, finely chop the garlic and the parsley to make the garlic sauce. Then, in a small bowl, add the chopped garlic, parsley, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Mix well and set aside. After about 20 to 25 minutes, your bread knots are ready. Remove from the oven and let cool on a wire rack for few minutes. Once the knots are cool, brush with the garlic sauce and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese if desired. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.